Oh my goodness, welcome, welcome. We are in San Antonio and it's Mother's Day. And what does a real estate agent do when they're visiting is another city? And I just found this gem of a community here. So this is an amazing location, not far from San Antonio. The views are amazing, the landscape. That's one thing I miss. Houston is all flat, but San Antonio, I've been enjoying the hills and the slopes and nothing boring over here. And it's such a great location, whether you want to live here or work here. Couple of hospitals around the corner, two military base around here for investors as well, and the tax rate, people, if you know tax rate in Texas, 2.1%, less than 2.1%. So let me show you this model. Now this model is called the Cottonwood 2, and it is just I just could not believe it because it's a 4-bedroom and plenty of space, but it's 1,800 square feet in the high 300s. And look at the use of the space. Let me show you around. So this is your entryway. Thank you. And on the left here, we have the first 2-bedroom. Just tell me, what do you think of the use of this space? 2 bedrooms, good size bedroom, and the closet, double door closet here. And the first bathroom is here. Look at the high ceilings. Like, amazing use of the space. You see when I go around this house, it's just beautiful. And this is the second bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom, so it can be a guest room or a kids room right here. Good use of the space again. And the closet is right here. And then look how wide this hallway is. The hallway is big and wide. That's the way to the garage. And no, the laundry room is right here, big and spacious. And this is the 3rd bedroom. It's currently staged as an office, but it could be used as a bedroom. But it's just a private space. You can actually work from home if you need an office here very well. But there's a closet, of course, if you plan to use the space as a bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Remember, guys, we are in an 1,800 square foot house, but it doesn't feel like it once you step in here. It just doesn't feel like it. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this. Look at this, all this cabinet and the clothes and the pantry over there. I just love the way they use this space. It's just amazing. Look at that space. And look at the living room. This is perfect for a big family. Like, the open floor plan allows the family to just be together. And, you know, it's such a good use of the space. You can have a huge party in here in this open floor plan. So this is just so well done. Okay, let me take you to the primary bedroom that is right here. I like the way, you know, there's this wall. You don't just see directly into the bedroom. So look at this space. Look at this space. It's just exactly what you need. Like, the side tables are huge, and that's the king size bed. And the room is still spacious enough, you know, to have a sitting area, a big dresser, and a high ceiling. Look at that. Beautiful house, I'm telling you. And look at this big bathroom. Plenty space here. Plenty space. The bathroom is huge. I mean, everything that you need in this bathroom. Big shower. And look at this closet. Big closet. And the toilet is on that corner. And it's so beautifully staged. I feel like the use of space in this house is amazing. And 2.1%, less than 2.1% in taxes, and the house is less than 400. I mean, you can raise a family of 6 in this house with no problem. There's plenty space for everything you need to do. Again, this is a model. The lot could be bigger than this, but let me show you a little bit of the lot that they have for this model. It's just an amazing use of the space. Look at that. And the landscape is beautiful, guys. San Antonio area, Cottonwood model by History Maker. You need to come and check this place. Come and check this place out. And if you want to invest in this area, this is a perfect area with the 2 military bases not far from here. All right. This is such a beautiful house.